Hey guys, Jordan here from ThatCarLife, and you may have just seen in that intro, we had Angelo's R34, which had a bit of trouble getting out of the driveway. Definitely. Which wasn't good, but as you can see, we've got 34 oofed. Yep, this is the Skyline 2.0. Skyline 2.0, and so last time you guys saw this car, it was definitely not like this, right? Definitely not. It was pretty much paint faded, smashed up. So pretty much like your old one. This has the heart of your old R34. Yeah. Everything else, the wheels, it pretty much looks identical. Yeah, if you didn't know any better, you wouldn't see the difference. It honestly looks amazing, and like the plates, you can't go wrong, man. Like you got the best plates that you can get. Yeah, Oof Patrol. 34 oofed, we got 15 oofed. It's literally the Oof Patrol, it's the best. So today we're gonna be heading down to the Maatouks Dyno Day / Open Day, and we're gonna check it out. And yeah, we're gonna head down to Angelo's 34. And yeah, as you can see, it's looking so clean. And yeah, it's gonna be sick. How much power is this making again? Just over 300 kilowatts at the wheels. Holy crap. Wow, test it out today. Nice, that's gonna be fun. And yeah, we're gonna leave the S15 here to rest, and yeah, we'll have some fun in Angelo's 34, so that's it. Let's do it. We've legit been doing laps and there's no parking, because like, it's actually like so full. There's literally nowhere to go. Everywhere's no stopping.
Did you just get my head like at a bad angle?
Probably did, sorry. But it's actually packed, eh? Look at this shit. Look at this, it's full. Nah, we've got this park at the end. Yeah, it's packed. Alright, so we've got parking behind this big ass truck, so nice and safe. But we're like all the way around the corner, but there's no stopping everywhere, it's fucked.
They really
this thing's clean. Very nice. Oh, it's got the extensions that I want. So many nice cars here, holy shit. There's so many nice cars. Sick. I think they're about to do a dyno run. Yeah. So I don't know if I can get good footage because there's like a lot of people, but yeah, it sounds like a big GTR is going to do a dyno run. I don't know, I can't really see. Like inside as well. Who next? That was a 32 going again. Bro, this is sick, man. We got kebab, we got GTRs. This 34's engine base like fully gold, and it's like, pretty sure it's over 1,000 horsepower. Wow. It's next level. Yeah, this thing's sick. It's actually cracker. I think I know the owner. I'll put his Instagram here. I think it's Jay Sadek, but it's cracker car. Look at that. What race is it? Pretty sure it's got a sequential gearbox as well. Yep, that's definitely sequential. And they got nice. Yeah. Bro, this XY is sick. No. Holy shit. I've got a soft spot for these, eh? So ThatCarLife support loves their S14s, don't you? It looks so different, eh? Do you still prefer S14 over S15? Because you gotta be very careful with your answer.
I prefer 15.
Nah, don't talk to me anymore. This thing's clean. Fellow S15. I actually really like these in yellow. It's just something different. It's got really nice wheels on it. Yashio taillights like mine. This thing's so clean. Same roof spoiler as me. Very unique colour. Ange, what do you reckon of this one, man? I need a new pair of pants. I actually like the colour. Looks like matte. It's actually clean, yeah. See, I want these extensions on mine. Is that what you want to get? Yeah, I want to get these extensions and paint them. That or that? These things, and paint them. Because isn't that sticking out
Like, isn't that
Yeah, that's sticking out more than mine is. It's very clean, but this thing sounds sick too. This S15 sounds like it has work done to it. Well, the plates are VVO, so I'm assuming so. Yeah, it's tight. Legit, actually, yeah, right up the high revs, it just kills your ears. Like,
yeah, that actually pierced.
But I only have one hand because I'm filming, so my ears are fucked. Yeah, and I got this.
I'll probably clear a lot of things.
Pull it. 34 oofed. It's raining at the worst possible time. There is a rainbow.
It's massive.
Oh yeah, fuck. That is actually huge.
Oh my god, that is a massive rainbow. It's so bright.
That is insane. Alright, so Ed, so your turbo, it's not a bigger turbo or anything like that, right?
No, they're completely stock. The factory OP3, high float with Garrett internals.
Yeah.
Pushing 20 pounds.
So it's a stock turbo, but just high flow to obviously produce more boost.
That's
power
it.
and stuff. The girls are just laughing in the back. How's the dose sound? Bro, that's such a unique dose. It's like,
yeah, very different.
Because it's such a smaller turbo, but it's like, got like better internals and all that. It's just a completely different dose.
Yeah, very responsive.
Bro, this thing just sounds incredible. And 300 kilowatts, you feel it, like it's fucking quick.
It's not bad for a full car as well.
Yeah. Bro, it throws you back hard. It's so fun.
Loud pop.
That was a huge backfire.
Really?
That was mad.
Nah, hope not.
Bro, did you debeat it? Did you debeat the tyre? Bro, if the tyres debeat it, I swear to God. It sounded like something like woof, woof, woof.
What the fuck about that? I think I snapped an axle or shit.
But the car's driving. If you snapped an axle, it wouldn't.
Or something. Car fucking hit. I drive it once a month.
What the fuck is that?
Can Can you roll it?
It's not the brake. That's
It
as soon as I
stops.
brake, it stops.
That doesn't sound good, man.
What the fuck?
It sounds like your wheel hub. It's your hub. It's something to do with your hub. All right, so we just got back, and as you can see, didn't have the best luck, Angelo?
Nah, not today.
So
It's a very eventful day, that's for sure.
we got back, and as you can hear in the last few clips, didn't sound the greatest, eh? So what, we hit a bump or something like that?
We hit some from a bump and something sprung up and hit the back of the car. And now all of a sudden I've got this massive clunk in the front wheel, so...
Yeah, so...
And nothing obvious, like, I don't know.
So, like, let us know in the comments what you guys may think it is. If you've had the same thing happen to you, that might help as well with this. But so far, we think it might be, like, the brakes.
Brake, rotor, controller...
It's something. So, yeah, we're going to have to take off the wheel and see what's under there.
Bit of investigating.
Yeah, automotive investigation. But overall, today was a good day, wasn't it? It was good.
Yeah, it was fun.
A lot of good GTRs, a lot of ear rape with the fucking dynos.
Oh,
like,
yeah, no, I can't
that
do
was
shit.
I'm still recovering. I'm going to be recovering for like months after that. But yeah, so overall it was a good day. Like Maatouks is crazy. They got like crazy good cars, everything like that.
Insane.
And yeah, it was really fun. And yeah, like I almost called it a GTR.
I know, I wish.
The 34 is you know, it's such a special car, you know. I mean, you've been through so much with it. And if you guys want to see the story with this car, I'll link it up here as well so you guys can check it out. It's a very special video for a special car. All right, so anyways, if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, all of that for more, and we'll see you guys next time on That Car Life.